Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel.
When we talk about a car,
like.
we rarely think about how it may affect us emotionally. Not in this case. Dramatic styling, advanced technology, and an exhilarating driving experience embodies Acura's precision-crafted performance roots. Meet the next generation TLX A-Spec. Let's start by looking at some of the highlights. A-Spec exclusive exterior styling with dark accents, 4th generation super handling all-wheel drive, 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, integrated dynamic system with driving modes including individual mode, 19-inch shark gray alloy wheels, A-Spec interior styling with red ambient lighting, flat-bottom steering wheel and metal sport paddles, heated and ventilated suede and leather trim front seats, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The distinct exterior styling of the TLX boasts an exotic, muscular look, with a low-wide stance and long wheelbase that just screams performance. The TLX A-Spec features sharply sculpted lines and aggressive front fascia with Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille. See and be seen with these sleek, darkened, jewel-eyed LED headlights with chicane-inspired shapes that give a nod to Acura's rich racing heritage. Adding to its muscular presence is this elongated, sculpted hood and wide rear fenders, designed for aerodynamics and to contain the much wider performance tires that grip the road and improve handling. The lightweight 19-inch shark gray alloy wheels take the sports sedan's aggressive look to a whole new level. Under the hood is a performance-tuned 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, making over 270 horsepower and an impressive 280 pound-feet of road-gripping torque that is further intensified by a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The TLX A-Spec features Acura's 4th generation of super handling all-wheel drive that connects the driver to the road by sending power to the wheels that need it the most. The A-Spec's integrated dynamic system with driving modes like Comfort, Normal, Sport, combined with sport-tuned steering and double wishbone suspension in the front, results in superb handling that's both sure-footed and exhilarating. You can further tune your driving experience with the dynamic individual mode, allowing your TLX to perform exactly the way you like it. With performance like this, it's important to also have necessary stopping power, and Acura knocked it out of the park with an advanced electro-servo braking system borrowed directly from Acura's NSX supercar. Even though styling and performance steal the show, safety has definitely not been overlooked. Your TLX comes with Acura Watch, an array of safety features and driver assistive technologies that include adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, forward collision warning with collision mitigation braking system, lane departure warning with steering wheel haptic feedback, blind spot monitor, lane keeping assist, rear cross traffic monitor, road departure mitigation system, and driver and front passenger airbag technology to better manage lateral collision forces. Now let's talk a bit about this smart key fob. In addition to the remote engine start, your key fob actually remembers your seat settings, mirror adjustments, and allows you to preheat and pre-cool your TLX remotely. The smart key system even gives you vehicle feedback when you use the remote start. The muscular design continues to the rear, where the menacing stance is punctuated by this gloss black rear spoiler, shark fin antenna, striking dual exhaust finishers, darkened LED taillights, and a sporty lower diffuser. By pressing here, the auto lift trunk lid effortlessly lifts up and out of the way for a much easier access. For your storage needs, this large trunk features a generous amount of usable cargo space with 60/40 split rear seats that fold down, perfect for carrying longer items. The alluring design of the TLX continues into the cockpit with a seamless blend of luxury and performance, made with genuine materials and sporty accents. There is a 12-way power adjustable driver's and front passenger seat, including 4-way power lumbar support. The higher center console enhances the dual cockpit design. And the TLX is precisely driver-focused with all controls easily within reach. The exclusive flat-bottom A-Spec steering wheel is heated, and with sport pedals, paddle shifters, and selectable driving modes, the TLX gives you a comfortable and exhilarating driving experience. The cabin is roomy with plenty of head and leg room, and letting in lots of natural light is this large power moonroof with tilt feature. The TLX A-Spec is packed with lots of intuitive technology, starting with this 10.2-inch color center display with Acura's True TouchPad Interface with handrests that makes navigating menus and selecting features a breeze. The steering wheel mounted controls and voice recognition feature allows you to keep your eyes safely on the road. To further set the mood, you can immerse yourself in the quality sound of this ELS 3D Studio sound system with 17 well-placed speakers, including a split subwoofer. Parking your TLX is made easy with a multi-angle rear-view camera with guidelines, as well as front and rear parking sensors, great for getting in and out of those tight spaces. For your smartphone, subscribe to AcuraLink and take advantage of features like automatic collision notification, remote start, remote lock unlock, Find My Car, geofencing, and more. Stay connected and charged up with these conveniently placed USB ports, wireless charger, and of course, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Bold styling and advanced technology, a true thoroughbred engineered for exceptional performance and its aggressive modern look that is sure to evoke positive emotions.
Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.